Good evening, friends. I am Amit Kumar Gupta, advocate. I hope that all of you are in good health. In my series on the discussion on the income tax cases, today I am going to discuss a very important case which has been decided by the Gujarat High Court. The case has been reported in 420 ITR at page number 15. The case throws light on section 50C and section 69B. The facts of the case are like this. In this case, the assessee purchased a property on which the seller paid the stamp duty on the circle rate, but the property was purchased by the purchaser on a value which was less than the circle rate. The assessing officer passed the order under section 143(3) by accepting the return of the assessee, but the Commissioner of Income Tax give the direction to the assessing officer to make the addition between the difference, the value paid by the assessee and the circle rate under section 69B, saying that section 69B is applicable on the case and making the allegation on the assessee that the assessee must have been paid the difference between the circle rate and the actual value by way of cash. The assessee went into the ITAT. In the ITAT also, the ITAT passed the decision against the assessee. So the assessee do not have any other option except going to the Gujarat High Court. The Gujarat High Court gave a very detailed and a reasoned order in favor of the assessee. The Gujarat High Court examined that section 50C is applicable only in the case of the seller of the property, but the assessing officer made the addition under section 69B for the difference between the consideration paid by the purchaser and the circle rate under section 69B, saying that it is the underreporting of the investments by the assessee. The Gujarat High Court gave the decision that 69B is applicable for making the investments which are not disclosed by the assessee in the books of accounts. But this was not the case in the present case. The Commissioner of Income Tax didn't point out that how he determined that the assessee has paid the consideration in cash. And the High Court says that section 69B cannot be made applicable for deeming circle rate. So in this case, a very important interpretation came that section 50C cannot be made applicable for the purchaser of the property, and if the assessing officer wants to make the addition under section 69B, then he has to bring on record or the evidence that the assessee has made the investments and or paid the amount of consideration in cash. But in the present case, the department was not able to prove this thing, that some consideration in cash has exchanged hands. So the Gujarat High Court made it very clear in this case that you cannot make applicable section 50C in the case of the purchaser of the property. From 1st April 2017, a section 56 subsection 2 clause 10 was introduced, in which the addition can be made in the hands of the purchaser for the difference between the circle rate and the consideration paid by the assessee, where the consideration is less than the circle rate. But section 56 subsection 2 clause 10 has been introduced from 1st April 2017. In the present case, the case was much before the introduction of section 56 subsection 2 clause 10. So, in the present case, even the addition cannot be made under section 56 subsection 2 clause 10. So, the Gujarat High Court gave the decision in favor of the assessee by saying that section 69B cannot be applied in the present case because the department was not able to prove this fact that some consideration in cash has exchanged hands, and only because of taking the shelter of section 50C the addition cannot be made under section 69B. So, the assessee got the relief in the present case and the addition under section 69B was deleted. I hope that friends, you like my channel, you like my videos, and my videos are useful for you. I appeal to you that you like my channel, and if you like my videos, then I also appeal to you that you can share my video with your learned friends and professional colleagues, or even the students who are studying the law, so that they can also get the benefit from my lectures. Thank you friends. Good evening.